Welcome, my dear friends, to our YouTube channel, Foundation English Course. My daily routine, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. on weekdays, and on weekends, I wake up at 8 a.m. I make or prepare my bed and wash my face, then I brush my teeth and do some stretching exercise. Then I prepare a hot cup of tea for myself. I love to read newspaper while having tea. Then I do the dusting and cleaning of house and keep the things in proper order. Afterward, I prepare a healthy breakfast for myself and family. Then I take bath and get ready for my work. Then I have my breakfast and leave for work. I reach office at 10 a.m. My office start at 10 a.m. and end at 5 p.m. I have lunch break at 2 p.m. I come back from my work at 7 p.m. I have my evening tea with some snacks. Usually, then I take a short nap and go for an evening walk. Afterward, I spend quality time with my family members. I watch some television program and have my dinner at 9 p.m. Then I read for some times and finally I go to the bed. Before sleeping, I do my evening's prayer and 10 minutes meditations also.